Alright, we got a bogey coming in hot here. Guys, I gotta be honest, sailing isn't exactly fun for me.
Old girl is amazing.
Try to do this and hold the camera. You ready? Now.
This is Joel. Together with Tony and Jared, he gave up everything to buy a boat and go on the adventure of a lifetime. But after a death-defying sail to Cuba, he returned to Key West and found himself alone.
Wish me luck on this adventure. When Michael finished school, I asked her to sail with me to the Bahamas. She agreed, but joined strictly as crew. 4 months later, we made it to the Dominican Republic, broke and in love.
Bums on a Boat is a true story about facing fear, finding adventure, and falling in love. Each tale is brought to you by our patrons and viewers. Subscribe and click the bell to get notified about weekly premieres, and visit our website to learn more. Thank you for watching.
These are the tales of BOAB.
I am getting nervous already. We are about to take the boat out, but this time we're actually gonna go somewhere and drop anchor for the first time in over 2 years. This is us. We're here in Luperon. We're gonna come out here and we're just gonna go 3 miles to a little place called Cambiaso. Lola, are you ready, old girl? Alright, here goes nothing, baby.
Up, up and away! Here we go.
Speaking of which, do you want to pull the main bits?
Yeah.
That was pretty good.
Lola, what do you think? She's shaking really bad. Last time we left her down below and she did not like that. So we figured life jacket and a tether and we'll give her a chance to hang out up top with us. We made it through the markers. It's a little hairy as always. You never know if they might have moved. They might be in a weird spot. But there is plenty of room and we made it out okay. Breeze is picking up. She's running like a bloody champ.
Michael, first thought that comes to mind, go.
Just bliss. I don't know. No thoughts really, only feelings.
Woo! What do you think, babes?
I'm loving it. How about you?
Lola? What do you think, old girl?
Oh, wow.
Alright, we got a bogey coming in hot here. Coming in hot. This is initiation, I think is what they call it. They just get really close to the newbies and scare the poop out of them. Hey! Woo! Yeah, baby!
fast. I'm gonna have to bleep that one, but holy probably has something to do with the fresh bottom. Turn way off. Things are going good. The seas are, what do you think, maybe 3 feet at the max? 3-foot seas. Doing well. I don't feel sick at all. Joel's breathing through it. Lola didn't have any breakfast. That was probably a good thing. She's doing so good though. I'm really just proud of Lola. She isn't moving. She's just chilling out. She's really awesome. Probably terrified, but doing great.
Alright, we just tacked. We were watching Cliff, wondering why he hasn't tacked yet, following his lead, and we're looking at our charts like, I think we can tack. And it looks like we were right here. If you look, you can see that. So there's our target, and you can see we're above the wind there. We're coming in hot right at it, about 5 knots or so. I don't know if there's something Cliff knows that we don't know. I'm kind of nervous because he waited quite a while to tack. He's way up ahead of us.
I think he's just having fun.
You think he's having fun?
Yeah, he's having fun. But we're having fun too.
Well, that makes 2 of us, 2 of them.
You're not having fun.
Guys, I gotta be honest, sailing isn't exactly fun for me. It's just not fun for me. It's something. Once we got on a broadreach, Caterpillar just started mobbing. Passing us like we're standing still. Right, time to drop anchor for the first time in over 2 years. We made it, O'Durl. All right. Come on, Lola. Come on. Go see Mom.
Look, we moved the boat. What do you think?
What do you think? How much scope do you got out?
I can just see the chain. I don't know, maybe like 30 feet of rope.
Looks like we're holding.
Old girl is amazing. I'm gonna get her some water. She didn't want to drink any while we were underway. I think she's doing all right.
Oh, girl. Who's your boat dog now? Now who's the boat dog? Oh, oh, oh.
Oh, sweetie. You're doing awesome.
Okay, Lola, un momento. Okay. We just made friends. Pretty cool here. They just swam right up and jumped on the boat. Luckily, I learned a little Spanish and I was able to ask them politely that, or tell them I'm about to leave the boat. Would you please get off the boat when I'm not on the boat? And they were totally cool. I love that Lola has this life jacket. I'm not worried about her at all. Oh, she's such a fast swimmer. Over here, Lola. We're going to Caterpillar. Come on, old girl. Lola, 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 hey, Lola, come on. Lola. And she's going back. Oh, she found Mom. Here she comes. I don't know what's going on. We're gonna check on the Caterpillar crew here. I owe them a little. I owe them for helping me scrape the boat. No, we were just worried and had to check on Dana Lee, the crew.
We're good. We got hungry, so we'll start eating.
Lola, it's coming.
Nice. No, it's alright. Woo! Oh, Lola!
You see that? Oh, that's so cool.
Trade winds are definitely kicking in now. I was thinking about trying to take the drone off from the solar panels, but I'm a little nervous of that. Sorry guys, I need to work up to that. We don't have a dinghy or any way to get it to land without getting it wet, so we'll have to wait on the epic drone footage. But this is still beautiful, right? Baby steps, you know us. It's about 2:30. We just started up the motor. We're gonna
Tighten that thing on the engine.
Bye everybody! I'm just a little nervous and crazy, so we're leaving early, and I didn't have a lot of fun because I just wanted to save energy for whatever might happen out there. So hopefully I get a little more courage in the future. I could stay longer with the legends, but we're bouncing.
This is really good. We just got the jib out. We're right about 100 feet. We can actually follow the contour probably this time. We couldn't last time because we had to tack out if we didn't want to just zigzag up the coast. But this time, going straight downwind, we should be able to hug that contour to where we don't get into too big a seas and we stay nice and comfortable.
Try to do this and hold the camera. You ready? All right, I'm gonna start crossing the wind now. Get ready. Now. There you go. Now let it out, that's too tight. Yep, let it out just nice and slow. Let it out some more. We're trying to get our downwind line. There you go.
Some more?
Hang on, let me, pretty good. I gotta look at my GPS now, but hey. Do you see lights behind me? No? No? Are we getting pulled over? Are you sure?
We're definitely gonna have to find Lola a cozy spot down below when we get into some inclement weather, but I think she's found her favorite spot in the cockpit so far. What could go wrong when you're standing behind Dad's feet? That was really quick. We made it back in half the time and double the speed. Here we are at the harbor entrance. That was the hike we did the other day out to the blowhole. And there's the markers, you can just see. That was seriously one hell of a day, but it feels pretty good to be coming back home where we can rest and get excited for next week when we go again. The coast of the DR is kind of intense, but I think it's an awesome place for us to hone our sailing skills over this hurricane season, provided there aren't any storms coming, and we'll be ready to go better than ever by the time hurricane season lets up. Gotta get that bimini patched up for sure.
And we're back. Nice job, Lola. You did great. You know, it was a little hairy getting on the mooring. Not bad, but hairy. I think that should play. I'm exhausted. I think it's stress more than anything though. And I don't really know why I'm stressed. Everything went pretty smooth.
Yeah, that was a great time. We hope to do a lot more of that. Thank you for sticking with us. We actually got shocked back out and dropped anchor in another location. That was another little milestone for us.
Yeah. I hope you guys liked this video as much as I enjoyed the day, and a whole lot more than Joel enjoyed the day. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys soon.
Yeah, subscribe if you haven't already.
Give us a thumbs up.
Yeah. Thanks.
Alright, bye guys. Bye.
These are the tales of BOAB. Over here. Over here. Come on, Willie. Pay attention. Focus.
BOAB! Lola dipped.
How come you're so quiet?